Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most iconic supercharged motorcycles on the market. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja H2. This bike is famous for its unmatched power, unique design, and of course, mind-blowing performance stats. So, if you're as excited about superbikes as I am, let's dive into what the 2025 Ninja H2 has to offer in terms of performance and pricing. Let's start with what makes the Ninja H2 stand out in the world of motorcycles. Its raw power. Kawasaki equipped this model with a supercharged 998cc inline-4 engine, which delivers an astonishing amount of horsepower. We're talking around 231 HP, and it can reach up to 300 HP with the optional race kit installed. This means it's not only incredibly fast, but also engineered to perform at a high level, making it suitable for track settings or any rider who craves top-tier speed and acceleration. That supercharger, by the way, is entirely designed by Kawasaki and makes the Ninja H2 feel like it's in a league of its own. But raw power is only part of the story. The 2025 Ninja H2 has been refined with updated electronic aids to help manage that power, keeping the bike as controllable as possible at high speeds. It comes with Kawasaki's latest gathered.We traction control system, launch control, and a sophisticated IMU that adjusts handling and traction settings in real time. This allows riders to confidently push the bike's limits without losing control, which is especially important given the immense power at play here. When it comes to acceleration, the Ninja H2 doesn't disappoint. This bike can go from 0 to 60 mph in just around 2.5 seconds, putting it in the hyperbike category. This means it not only competes with some of the best motorcycles out there, but even outpaces a lot of sports cars in terms of pure acceleration. It has a top speed that exceeds 200 mph, which is part of what makes it so thrilling yet also demands a lot of respect from the rider. The handling is another strong suit. Kawasaki has focused on making sure the H2 remains stable at high speeds without sacrificing maneuverability in tight situations. The frame is a unique trellis design that balances rigidity with lightweight properties, giving the bike a solid yet responsive feel on the road. The suspension system is by Öhlins, which is fully adjustable, meaning you can fine-tune it to fit your riding style or the specific conditions of the road or track. Combined with the Brembo brakes, which provide superior stopping power, the Ninja H2 feels reliable and steady, no matter how fast you're going. As for the looks, the Ninja H2 is one of the most striking motorcycles you'll ever see. It has Kawasaki's iconic mirror-coated bodywork, which gives it a futuristic, almost stealth fighter appearance. The aerodynamics are also refined with integrated winglets that help maintain stability at high speeds, adding both functionality and a bold visual appeal. Now let's talk about the price. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja H2 comes at a premium, but that's expected for a bike with this level of engineering and performance. The base model starts at around $30,000, making it one of the more expensive options on the market. If you opt for the race kit and additional performance upgrades, you're looking at closer to $35,000 to $40,000. It's definitely an investment, but for riders who want the ultimate in speed, technology, and design, the Ninja H2 offers a unique experience that few bikes can match. So, who is this bike for? If you're a serious enthusiast looking for a motorcycle that delivers top-of-the-line performance and an unforgettable riding experience, the Ninja H2 should be on your list. It's not just about speed. It's about having a machine that combines power, advanced tech, and style in one incredible package. But it's also a bike that requires respect and a certain level of skill to handle safely, so it may not be the best choice for beginners. And that wraps up our performance and pricing review of the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja H2. What do you guys think? Is this supercharged powerhouse worth the premium price? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.